If you're a man, you've probably had this experience. You see a beautiful girl, you want to talk to her, you want to impress her, maybe you want to go on a date with her. So you approach her, you start talking to her, and you try to impress her, hoping that she will like you as a result and will want to go on a date with you as a result of you impressing her. However, the harder you try to impress her, the more you are nicer to her, the less she is attracted to you. Why does that happen? Well, in the book, The Solution to Social Anxiety, psychologist Dr. Aziz Ghazipura explains the real reason why beautiful girls reject you and what to do about it. It all starts with a very faulty belief you have about becoming likable. You see, you might be thinking that in order for that beautiful girl or that powerful person to really like me, I have to be exactly who she wants me to be. I have to be her type. I must act according to what she likes or dislikes. I must be nice to her and never disagree with her. So what's the outcome of that? Well, when you talk to her, you're nice. You never disagree with her. You comply. You act friendly. You never stand up to her. You avoid conflict. You never tell her that she's wrong. You never tell her what's really on your mind because you don't want to offend her. You never state your true beliefs. You never stand up for yourself. And as a result, you never let her know who you truly are. You never show her your true self. You never do things that make you feel confident around her. And as a result of all that, the more you try to comply with her, the more she sees you as lacking self-confidence and lacking self-belief. And because of your lack of self-confidence and self-belief, she never sees you as someone she would want to date. So what should you do to get that beautiful girl to like you? Well, you have to stop believing that in order to get her to like you, you must act according to what she likes or dislikes, or that you must agree with her beliefs or ideas or whatever she might be saying in that moment. Instead, you must stand up for what you believe in, even if she disagrees with you. You must state your thoughts, even if they are contrary to her beliefs or her ideas. You must disagree with her when you know that she is wrong. You must stay true to your beliefs, your ideals, your mission, your values. You must be truly authentic. Now, what happens as a result of that? Well, she begins to see you as an equal, someone who has self-belief. She sees you as someone who's confident. She sees you as someone who's standing for what he believes in. She sees you as someone who is authentic, someone who is real. And that allows her to trust you. And now she feels attracted to you. Try it the next time you talk to a hot girl and see the magic work. Alright, if you learned something profound from this quick video, you will enjoy my social skills course where I have over 200 such great ideas on building social skills. In the course, I have summarized 30 of the greatest books ever written on building social skills, including this book, The Solution to Social Anxiety. In the course, you will learn over 200 great tips, tools, and strategies on developing communication skills, making friends, becoming more charismatic, initiating conversations with strangers, succeeding with people, overcoming social anxiety, overcoming shyness, and developing social confidence. And on the occasion of Valentine's Day, you can get the social skills course for 40% off. Just head on over to 2000books.com/social and enter the coupon code LOVE to get the 40% off. But remember, only the first 50 people to use this coupon will get the 40% off this course. So head on over to 2000books.com/social and enter the coupon code LOVE to get your discount.